You want to invest, but every month your budget feels too tight. Rent, bills, groceries, it all adds up fast. So, how do people actually make room to invest when their paycheck already feels stretched? The answer is smarter budgeting, and it's easier than you think. Welcome to Grow My Savings. In this video, we'll break down Budgeting 101, how to design a budget that works for your lifestyle, how to free up money for investing, and how to make sure your money builds wealth instead of slipping away. A budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about directing your money. Think of it as a financial roadmap that shows where every dollar goes. Without a budget, money disappears into random spending. With a budget, you gain control and can create space for investing. Start by tracking your expenses for a month. Write down every purchase, yes, even snacks or coffee, then categorize into essentials, wants, and savings. This makes it clear where you can adjust. For example, spending $200 a month on takeout could instead become $100 in takeout and $100 saved for investing. A simple budgeting framework is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for saving and investing. If 20% feels too high at first, start smaller. Even 5 to 10% consistently saved builds up over time. The easiest way to budget for investing is to treat it like a non-negotiable bill. Set up automatic transfers right after payday before you spend on anything else. This pay yourself first habit ensures you invest regularly without second guessing. Look for budget leaks you can reduce, unused subscriptions, impulse buys, or expensive habits. Redirect that money into your investing fund. For example, cutting $50 from entertainment or dining out every month means $600 a year available to invest. Budgeting is easier when you connect it to a purpose. Set clear investing goals. I want $1,000 saved for my first ETF, or I'll invest $200 a month toward retirement. When your budget aligns with your future goals, it feels less like sacrifice and more like progress. If you had to adjust one category in your budget to make room for investing, which would it be? Food, shopping, entertainment, or something else? Share your answer in the comments below. So to recap, here are your key steps to Budgeting 101. First, track every dollar. Know exactly where your money is going. Second, categorize your spending so you can clearly see needs versus wants. Third, try the 50-30-20 rule as a guide, but remember, even starting small with 5-10% is powerful. Fourth, pay yourself first by automating your savings before you spend. Fifth, find and cut waste. Those budget leaks add up to big investing opportunities. And finally, always connect your budget to your goals, whether it's saving for your first $1,000 investment, retirement, or financial independence. Here's the big picture. Budgeting isn't about saying no to everything. It's about saying yes to the things that matter most. Every dollar you redirect toward investing is a step toward freedom, stability, and building the life you want. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next episode. Emergency Funds Explained, your safety net. Thank you.